8 species in genus Catalpa. September 14th. Catalpa, Catalpa, the cigar tree, represents September 14th. Catalpa symbolizes vitality and endurance. You are a source of energy and inspiration. Like its large leaves and flowers, you leave a lasting impression. What is a catalpa tree? The catalpa tree, also known as the cigar tree or Indian bean tree, is a deciduous tree native to North America. These trees are recognized for their large, heart-shaped leaves and long, slender seed pods. Catalpa trees are members of the Bignoniaceae family and are known for their fast growth and striking appearance. Catalpa bignonioides, Catalpa brevips, Catalpa bungae, Catalpa longissima, Catalpa macrocarpa, Catalpa ovata, Catalpa purpurea, Catalpa speciosa. How fast do catalpa trees grow? Catalpa trees are known for their rapid growth. Under ideal conditions, they can grow between 1 to 2 feet per year. This makes them an excellent choice for those looking to quickly establish shade or a windbreak in their landscape. The growth rate can vary depending on soil quality, water availability, and overall climate. What does a catalpa tree look like? Catalpa trees have a distinct appearance with large, heart-shaped leaves that can grow up to 12 inches long. The leaves are a bright green in the summer, providing a lush canopy. The tree produces large, showy clusters of white flowers with purple and yellow markings, usually in late spring or early summer. Following the blooming period, long, slender seed pods that resemble cigars develop, which can be up to 20 inches in length. When do catalpa trees bloom? Catalpa trees typically bloom in late spring to early summer. The exact timing can vary depending on the local climate, but you can generally expect to see flowers from late May to early June. The flowers are not only beautiful but also fragrant, attracting a variety of pollinators, including bees and butterflies. Are catalpa trees poisonous to dogs? Catalpa trees are not considered toxic to dogs. While the large leaves, flowers, and seed pods might attract the curiosity of pets, they do not contain harmful substances that would pose a significant risk. However, it's always a good idea to prevent dogs from ingesting any part of a plant as a general precaution. Is catalpa good firewood? Catalpa wood is not typically considered the best choice for firewood. It has a lower density compared to other hardwoods, which means it burns quickly and produces less heat. Additionally, it can produce a lot of smoke, making it less desirable for indoor use. However, it can be used for kindling or in outdoor fire pits where these issues are less of a concern. When do catalpa trees leaf out? Catalpa trees usually leaf out in mid to late spring. The exact timing can depend on the local climate and weather conditions. In general, you can expect to see new leaves beginning to emerge once the temperatures start to consistently warm up, usually around April to May. Why does my catalpa tree not have worms? Catalpa worms, which are actually caterpillars of the Catalpa sphinx moth, are not present on every tree every year. These caterpillars tend to appear in cycles and may be affected by local environmental conditions, the presence of predators, or disease. If your tree does not have worms, it might simply be an off year for their population in your area. How to grow a catalpa tree from a cutting. Growing a catalpa tree from a cutting involves taking a healthy branch and planting it in suitable soil. Choose a branch that is at least 6 inches long and has several nodes. Remove the leaves from the lower half, dip the cut end in rooting hormone, and plant it in a pot with well-draining soil. Keep the soil moist and place the pot in a location with indirect sunlight until roots develop. How to grow catalpa from seed. To grow catalpa from seed, collect the seed pods in the fall and let them dry. Once dried, remove the seeds and soak them in water for 24 hours before planting. Plant the seeds in pots filled with a well-draining soil mix. Cover lightly with soil and keep them moist. Place the pots in a warm location with indirect sunlight. Germination can take several weeks. How to keep a catalpa tree small. To keep a catalpa tree small, regular pruning is essential. Prune the tree during its dormant season, usually late winter to early spring. Focus on removing dead or diseased branches, and shape the tree by cutting back the branches to maintain the desired size. Avoid heavy pruning in the growing season as it can stress the tree and reduce blooming. Where to buy catalpa trees? Catalpa trees can be purchased from local nurseries, garden centers, or online plant retailers. When buying online, ensure you are purchasing from a reputable source to guarantee the quality and health of the tree. Local extension services or gardening clubs can also be good resources for finding reputable sellers. Catalpa versus Paulownia. Both Catalpa and Paulownia trees are known for their rapid growth and large leaves. However, Paulownia, also known as the empress tree, has a faster growth rate and produces clusters of purple flowers compared to the white flowers of the Catalpa. Paulownia wood is also highly valued for its lightweight and strong properties, making it more desirable for timber. Catalpa versus mahogany. Catalpa and mahogany trees differ significantly in terms of wood quality and uses. Mahogany is a tropical hardwood valued for its dense, durable wood and is often used in fine furniture and cabinetry. Catalpa wood, on the other hand, is softer and less dense, making it less suitable for high-quality woodworking. However, Catalpa is still appreciated for its ornamental qualities and rapid growth. How to care for a Catalpa tree. Caring for a Catalpa tree involves ensuring it has adequate water, especially during dry spells. These trees prefer well-drained soil and full sun to partial shade. Regularly check for pests and diseases, and prune the tree during its dormant season to maintain its shape and health. Mulching around the base can help retain moisture and protect the roots. What to plant with Catalpa? Catalpa trees make excellent companion plants for other shade-loving species. Consider planting ferns, hostas, or shade-tolerant flowering plants like astilbes and hellebores under Catalpa trees. These plants will thrive in the dappled sunlight provided by the Catalpa's large canopy. Catalpa trees are a versatile and attractive addition to any landscape. With their rapid growth, striking flowers, and large leaves, they offer both beauty and practicality. Whether you're looking to grow one from seed or cutting, or simply want to enjoy the shade and flowers, Catalpa trees are a wonderful choice.